Hello, bastards! If you tight bastard like me, who likes to feel good, immunity booster, ginger turmeric shots every fucking morning, but you don't want to pay the fucking prices because number one, I'm from fucking Yorkshire, number two, I'm fucking Indian, so there's no way I'm paying those fucking prices. Make myself. So come on, I fucking show you how to do it, how to feel good. If you go to the gym, this is really important for you to have one of these shots every morning. If you don't go to the gym, you're still going to feel good. I'm going to make for about 2 people. This will last for a fucking week. If there's 3 people, you'll have to tell the third one to fuck off and make their own. But I'll show you anyway. Come on, come with me. Okay, first you need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You can get this with the mother. I don't mean go to the shop with your mother. It's got the mother inside it. This is raw and organic. You can get any brand you want. This is a big chunk of ginger. It's about 2 tablespoons worth in size. You chop that up. You don't have to cut it too fine. You can leave the skin on as well. You get apple and we chunk that up as well. You don't have to be too fine. It's going to get blitzed in the blitzer, in the blender. Don't worry. Now this part, I need 1 orange. You can put 2 oranges. You can put only oranges if you want. I'm just going to squeeze the juice out of 1 orange. And then after that, I'm going to get 2 fresh lemons and squeeze the juice out of 2 fresh lemons. Now some people make it with just a lemon or just the orange. I like to put both in because it gives it that special flavor, nice little tangy flavor with the orange. I do fucking like it. I hope you bastards do too. Like I said, very simple recipe, not many ingredients, easy to do. A pinch of pepper, black pepper inside there, just a pinch. And the main ingredients, you need 2 teaspoons of haldi, which is turmeric. You can use fresh turmeric if you're a posh bastard, but I'm definitely not posh, as you can tell by my fucking Yorkshire accent. Anyway, then we're going to put 1 cup of cold water, which is about 300 milliliters. You can put about 350 if you want. And then we're just going to blitz the water until it's unrecognizable. Once the blitzing is finished, you need to get a jug and get a sieve. And we're going to sieve this down and get a spoon and shift those bits out to get all the liquid out of there. This is what we want. We don't want this sediment stuff. You just want the liquid. And then you get a bottle. You can get a little shot bottles. I like to use just 1 bottle, and I have a shot glass, and I have about 35 to 50 milliliter shot every morning. No, that is not 50 milliliter, bastard. That's a little bit better. Where do you get that shot from? Huh? Well, why would you have a shot glass like that in a fucking house? Oh, you definitely like a large portion, bastard. Knock it back, bastard. Knock it back. You will really like this in the morning. This will wake you up. It's a great immune booster. Check the benefits out on the Googles. You will enjoy this. I hope you try it. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.